Hello, everyone. Welcome to Motivational Aunt Row. Let's talk about rain and what effects it has on your mental health. Rain causes emotional release and catharsis. It's peaceful and soothing. Rain can be very cleansing. The simple sound of rain can make you sleep better. Just as rain clears the air, it invites emotional release. In meditation or therapy, imagery of rain washing through the mind is used to symbolize letting go. The smell of rain can be therapeutic. Rain can trigger an emotional downpour that purges lingering stress. The effect of rain is powerful because you can feel the rain. Rain can mean growth. Thanks so much for watching. Be well, everyone. Follow, like, and subscribe for more of Motivational Aunt Row. Have a peaceful day.